What is up, guys? Another site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new dashboard in Zoho. So first, you need to head over to your Zoho CRM's analytics website by just simply typing analytics.zoho.eu/workspace. And after that, you will be headed to this website. So from here on the left side, you need to click on dashboards. And then here at the bottom, you can say create new dashboards. Click on this create new dashboard. And after that, here you will see the option to create new dashboard. So you can just view these steps. I'll skip them, and after that, as you can see here in the dashboard section, you can just simply drag and drop the reports here. Let's say I want to drag and drop the accounts report here and the context report here. After that, I need just users. I'll keep it here. And after that, here, these are the pipeline reports. So from here, I can just simply drag and drop any of these reports. I want, let's say, the lead reports, and these are the lead conversion rates. I just simply drag and drop it here. And after that, if I need more, I'll click on this dashboards. And after clicking on dashboards here, I don't have any files in the dashboards. So in the sales report, as you can see, I have some files. I'll drag and drop it here. And as you can see, this is how I can create my own custom dashboard. So I can also add some tab if I want. I can use the filters like the created time, the selected quarter. And this is how you can create a dashboard in the Zoho. And these are the settings for the dashboard. And when you close this, you have some themes to just customize the dashboard. Let's say in the navy, in the dark shade, like the teal color, the dark one, and this is the gray one. And you have the option to add custom layouts like the flat, the border, top border. You can choose any of these as per your wish and requirements. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.